We have really cool looking paper right here. When you feel resentment in your heart because you're carrying more than your share of load,
Isn't that so
you're doing
pretty?
no favors for anyone, including yourself.
That's a surprise.
You need to ask for help to ensure that you have private time for contemplation and rest. One of the reasons why I'm able to sit and so peacefully is that
I want to love on the world, man.
Just as long as you stand by me, we'll guide you home. Every day I have
We had a big circle and we would take turns having partners on our right and our left, and we had to do different warm-ups or exercises. It was really about trust and concentration and paying attention to your partner and your surroundings.
So, let's try it again. You have open, then you have the closed note. What we're going to do is we're going to utilize the slap tone of the bass to really exercise our notes, and then we're going to begin learning a rhythm. Once I see that you can articulate the note, then we can begin learning. We have two primary notes for this instrument. Now, depending on what region, remember we talked about a couple different things. Regionally, just like dialect, it's played differently. They have two instruments to serve the purpose of the three. You may have the gongoni, which is playing the role of the sangma. And you have dundun, which is another instrument that's shaped the same way, has the same role, and it's played with a bell called nyanga. There's certain elements that are always continually going to be used. And this is important because we're talking about the energy of that rhythm and creating the energy of that process. So you always see that the relationships between the drums is very similar, even if the arrangements of the orchestra are different. And a lot of times you can tell directly by listening to the dununs what region is being represented, what ethnic group is being represented. You can tell in the phrasing. There's so many unspoken words about the orchestra. Because remember, we're not just playing rhythms, we're talking about opening a door through rhythm. So you remember that curve that I drew in the diagram? I want you to apply that to how it is that you play the note.
Song, we're gonna have Narnia's song. Who else has got tracks that they're recording?
I'm flying so high, so high, so high.
I'm flying no light.
My friend's mama told me the chaos you're used to is better than the chaos you're not used to. Because change is always scary. Change foreshadows my death. I can't change even if I try. That saying brings forth a little truth.
When I started this program, I thought it was whack. Later on, I had to go see.
If y'all want to grab
grab the set of headphones, practice, get warmed up, get familiar, and we're gonna actually record.
Undisturbed, don't interrupt, you assume I'm white. Don't make assumptions, flow so sick, the carpet and the clips of the worst stuff. Could you take another spit some stars and run your head and be my face?
Because that part right there is coming super, super hard. And even when you step back, it doesn't really. Do it again. Do it again for me one more time and keep it around here.
I'm flying online. I've been lying so high, so high, so high. I've been lying online. Flying online. High.
All right. Now I want you to sing it again. And this time I want you to exercise your vocals.
Flying